How to use AMEX Gold Card to travel the world for free. Welcome back to CreditWise USA, the place where we turn credit card points into amazing travel experiences. Imagine this. You're packing your bags, ready to explore exotic destinations or revisit your favorite cities. But here's the best part. You're doing it all for free. How, you ask? Well, that's where the magic of the AMEX Gold Card comes in. In today's video, we're going to deep dive into how you can use the AMEX Gold Card to not just travel, but travel the world without spending a dime on flights or hotels. We'll cover everything from earning massive points to redeeming them for maximum value. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or new to the world of travel rewards, this video is your ticket to unlocking free travel. So, sit back, relax, maybe grab a cup of coffee, and let's get started on turning those credit card points into your next dream vacation. All right, who here enjoys a good meal or a trip to the grocery store? I'm sure we all do. With the AMEX Gold Card, these everyday activities become your biggest point earners. When you use your card at grocery stores, you're not just buying food. You're earning 4 times the points for every dollar you spend, and this goes up to $25,000 every year. The same goes for when you dine out at restaurants, grab takeout, or even order delivery. Picture this. Every bite you take and every grocery item you buy gets you closer to your dream vacation. Isn't that amazing? Now let's talk about all the other stuff you buy. Whether it's a new outfit, a gadget, or just your daily coffee, these purchases still help you earn points. For everything else outside of groceries and dining, the AMEX Gold Card gives you 1 point for every dollar you spend. And here's a pro tip. Always keep an eye out for Amex offers and special promotions. These can be like hidden treasures popping up to give you extra points when you least expect it. Okay, so you're earning points on food and everyday stuff, but what about travel? If you're a frequent flyer, listen up. Pairing your Gold Card with the Platinum Card can really turn up the heat on your points earning. Booking flights? With the Platinum Card, you get a whopping 5 points for every dollar spent on flights booked directly with airlines or through Amex Travel. It's like strapping a rocket to your points balance. All right, now that you've stacked up all these points with your AMEX Gold Card, let's talk about the fun part, redeeming them for travel. Here's how you can turn those points into real adventures. So you're ready to jet off somewhere? Great news! When you book flights directly with airlines or through Amex Travel using your Gold Card, you earn 3x points. What does this mean for you? More points for your next trip. And guess what? There are no annoying blackout dates or seat restrictions. This means you can fly when you want, where you want. Whether it's a spontaneous weekend getaway or that dream vacation you've been planning for ages. Now, where to stay? Booking hotels is just as rewarding. Do it through Amex Travel and you get 3x points there too. But here's the cherry on top. Access to fine hotels and resorts benefits. Imagine room upgrades, late checkouts, and other cool perks making your stay even more special. Plus, Amex Travel offers curated travel packages. This means less time planning and more time enjoying. Want even more flexibility? You can transfer your points to different airline and hotel loyalty programs. This opens up a whole world of options, like snagging those hard-to-get award seats. And keep an eye out for transfer bonuses. These are special deals that give you even more points when you transfer them to partners. It's like getting an extra boost for your travel plans. And it's not just about flights and hotels. Your points can do more. Use them for statement credits to offset some expenses, grab gift cards, or shop through the membership rewards portal. It's a versatile way to use your points, especially if you want to save them for bigger travels later. Now let's switch gears and talk about some smart moves to make the most out of your AMEX Gold Card. These tips will help you not just earn points, but really elevate your travel game. First things first, let's talk about the welcome offer. Imagine this. You get the card and bam, there's a chance to earn 60,000 points just by spending $4,000 in the first few months. It's like a hefty bonus just waiting for you, so a good strategy. Hit that spend requirement early. Think of your regular expenses and use your card for those. This way you don't miss out on this big points bonanza. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about the $250 annual fee? Here's the deal. The card comes packed with travel credits and other perks that can easily offset this fee. It's like the card is paying for itself while you reap the benefits. Planning a hotel stay? Use Amex Travel's fine hotels and resorts or the hotel collection. Why? Because you get elite status benefits and bonus points. It's like turning a regular hotel stay into a VIP experience, all while earning extra points. Got family or friends who also love to travel? Add them as authorized users on your account. This way, everyone's spending contributes to the points pool. It's like a team effort to reach those dream vacation goals faster. And there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the incredible world of the AMEX Gold Card, exploring how to earn, redeem, and maximize those precious points for amazing free travel experiences. Remember, every point you earn with your AMEX Gold Card is a step closer to your next adventure. Whether it's sipping coffee in Paris, exploring the beaches of Bali, or any other dream destination, your AMEX Gold Card is your passport to making these dreams a reality. Thank you so much for tuning into CreditWise USA. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks on smart credit card use and travel hacks. Got questions or your own tips to share? Drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Until next time, keep wise with your credit and happy traveling.